summarize what you just said, so I get on the board.
Well,
Legal situation.
We have a very good starting point. I mean, we can look at the presumption that exists in the law for joint legal custody. And we know what our courts have done if one party objects to the joint legal custody, which is presumed to be in the best interest of children. And so I think we need to look at what the framework would look like if there were a presumption of joint physical custody. That's what I think. I think we need to look at what would that look like and what would the impact be.
Presumption exists now for joint legal custody.
Correct.
The case you cite now speaks to what?
Joint physical custody.
Yes, but what does it tell us in terms of the current situation, how courts
Well,
are using it?
I'll tell you what it tells us. It says,
You do it in a way that I
according
can...
to Judge Hal Brooks, and I happen to have sat on this panel, it says if joint physical custody is awarded over the objection of a party, the court must make detailed findings on the joint custody factors and explain how the factors led to its determination that joint custody would be in the best interest of the child.
That's, excuse me, Judge, that's the 17 factors that Pam sort of mentioned before.
Well, additional
Additional
the
four.
last
Additional
four.
4 on top of 13.
It's the last four.
Okay?
And further, if domestic abuse has occurred between the parties, a rebuttable presumption exists that joint physical custody is not in the child's best interest. And so the district court quite clearly has to address that, which it did in this case, and decided that despite the fact that the parties had some difficulty getting along, they both loved their children very much and were able to set aside their differences.
Is it fair to say, this June, I heard a couple things, is it fair to say that under current law, that the court has the ability to order joint physical custody, even over disagreement by the parties?
Yes.
That's number one, if we're talking about current law, but it has to set the presumption.
Right.
And then the second part that I heard in listening to what you were saying was that for the most part, and we may have disagreed on this one in the previous points, for the most part, if parents agree to joint physical custody, courts can accept that.
I think pretty much do, although when I was practicing prior to 1996, Anoka County didn't seem to embrace the notion.
So can we say do that? I mean, is it, so if there's agreement by the parties, trial courts do?
I would disagree with you. Can, but I would disagree with you.
If the parents agree.
If the parents agree, courts will...
No, I disagree with you.
Courts may.
Courts may, usually.
I think
that's
Supposed to.
They don't have to be. Okay.
We don't know a thing, frankly. I'm pretty disappointed.
I may have to cite you on that. Now, if the parents agree, the courts may provide joint physical custody
With no further notice.
with no further notice.
No.